Hello friends, welcome to Flavor Hunters. So today what we are going to do is we're going to cut a chicken with blindfold, and this is my second time actually. And in the first time I uploaded it, them as a short video. So I figure out if it's great if I bring a full video about cutting the chicken with blindfold. So let's do this. And first what you have to do is you have to use a napkin under your cutting board to avoid the slipping. Use it. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the fats which is included in this chicken, and there is some offals inside the chicken. So we have to remove them before we go into the cutting process. So I'm going to skip this part, and after I remove the fat sides and everything, I will back to you. I'm using a napkin as a blind, so let's use this and cover my eyes fully. Okay, as you can see, I 100% cannot see anything. So let's do this. And I try to do it a little bit fast because I want to make the video so long. So let's go with this. And take your knife, and here's the cutting board, here's the chicken, and here's the tray which I'm going to place my chicken parts. And first you have to break the points. You can see the pop-up sound. And other side here we have the oysters in here. Then go through the oysters and come all the way around to the. And here we have the first leg, and I'm going to place it in the tray, and here we go. And the second leg, pop out, nice. Go all the way through the oysters, then back. Nice. Okay, here we have the second leg, then go with that, and the wings. So let's go to the wings. And again make them up, then carve in here, and the first wing have done. Here the second wing, go under the arm. When you feel the bone, then go through it. Okay. Okay, the second thing has done, and we have in here under the we have the carcass under the breast, and we have the neck. So I'm going to remove the neck. In here you guys can feel the fat sides are almost here. So break down, then use the knife, go through the neck, then again other side, go, and easily you can take the neck off from the chicken. And here it is comes with the fat, and I'm going to remove that. So for that, and here we have the carcass and the neck with it, and I'm going to keep it in this tray as well. Okay, and I feel the carcass, and here we have the two breasts. So this is the hard process. This is the basically hard thing which we have to do as a blindfold. And now you can feel the breast, and in the line you have to separate it into two sides. So I'm going with the line. You can feel it here. Go with it and come all the way down to the bottom, and here feel the carvers right in and go with the knife. So I'm not going to break the wishbone in here, just going through the meat, and yeah, that's it. There we go, the first breath, and we're going to keep in the wings, and here we have the second side, and again go with the other side of the carcass, and here we have the second breast. We have the second side. Let's keep it in here. So 2 breasts, 2 wings, and 2 legs. So I hope the carcass contains some meats, but we can see after we remove the blindfold. So we have the neck and the carcass, and again the carcass part, and we keep it in here. And let's separate the legs to thighs and the drumsticks, and let's do that. First take the leg and feel where the bone is, and you can feel it by just literally touching it, and just go with your we remove that. One drumstick and one thigh. Here we go with the thigh and drumstick, and again another leg. Then we go in here, you will feel it, and as well. As you can see, it's really easy to go with that, because when you feel the bone and go through it, it's cut like butter. So let's again remove the thigh and the drumstick. So I hope everything is done, and here we have the carcass and everything in here. We have let's keep them according to the order, and here we have one breast. Let's keep the other breast in here, and we have 2 drumstick and here, and 2 wings. Okay, then the 2 thighs, 2 drumsticks, 2 legs, and the 2 wings. So we cut it to 8 parts, and here we go. And I'm going to remove my blindfold. I hope everything is going in good order. So let's go. So guys, as you can see, I hope I done it really well. So here we have 100% done everything, and my eyes are really hurting because of the thing. And here we have the carcass. You can see there are some still meat left in here. It's a little bit hard to go through with blindfold, but we done it actually real good. And we have the neck and the other part of the carcass, and this this will I hope you everyone can get everyone can do this, but some people take a little bit time to practice this, and this is actually my second time. And as you want to see you, the drumstick 100% done very well done. The legs and the two wings and the two breasts and the two thighs we are really done well. So I also use the neck part in the chicken to show you I can do that through blindfold, and I didn't remove in the process in the starting point. And this is the video, friends, and there are some additional factors which I want to tell you about the video. And when you're handling a knife, always make sure it need to be 100% sharp. So that is why the meat cut in tied to the drumstick like butter. So when we have the joints in here, if you have a sharp knife, then just go it cuts like butter. So that's one thing. And if you are trying to break down a bone, always make sure use the edge part of the knife, and don't use the bottom and the end of the knife, otherwise they will literally damage the knife. And if you use the sides, you can still even if the knife damage, you can still use this part to cut vegetables or anything. So always make sure if you are trying to cut a bone to separate, make this part of the knife. And also when you are handling the knife, always make sure to handle it nicely, not like this and always like this. So I hope everyone can get knowledge. I can even done it more faster, but I want to show you something which is really entertainment to you, and it is also educational. And so make sure you can have some kind of help to me by through going add a like and press the subscribe button and add all, and I will bring you really great videos after this video. Just I want to show you some of my skills. So that's it, friends, and I hope everyone can learn some kind of knowledge.